All right, this is an unboxing. It's my very first unboxing of an item that I've made my very first purchase of, and I want to get into this product and experience it for what it is. And you might be wondering what it might be. Well, let's see what the package has to bear. Nothing. Consumer commodity. Some cut through that ripstop reinforced packing tape. Very exciting. Inside this box is contained within something of some value and importance to me. What have we got here? Zippo. Zippo gear. Zippo gear. Yes. It arrived. It has arrived. Wow, I'm excited for this. This has taken some time. Not a lot of time. I think I ordered this 2 days ago. Believe it or not. Okay, what have we got here? Got some flints. 6 flints, apparently, according to the package. 4.5 fluid ounces, or 4.68. That's not 4.5, but close enough. 133 mils of fluid. Got a tactical pouch. Made in USA. Quality brand. The Zippo brand. Some Velcro enclosure. Little pouch with some elastic type material to hold your lighter snugly in the pouch. And it comes with a belt clip. Not a belt clip, but the loop to go around your belt. There's another little possibility for connecting to something, maybe a backpack. And now the lighter, the long-awaited lighter. I have been spending a lot of time on the Zippo website, and I'm just starting my collection. There's my first Armor Zippo lighter in all of its glory. Inside the box we have some literature from Zippo. Apparently it's stuck inside. Some informational. There's actually good information in here about how to fill your lighter and how to route the wick. That's what I'm more interested in, about routing the wick. And in fact, it's not in this instruction manual. Wow. Well, I've been watching, lucky for me, I've been watching a lot of instructional videos, and I already know how to route the wick. We'll pull tab here. Before I pull it completely off, let's take a look at the bottom. 22 and F for February 1920 or 1922, 2022. I'm on a YouTube channel listening to YouTube videos on Zippo lighters. Just looking for somewhere to stick my sticker. And this one here I want to get off too. The price. Maybe I'll keep it with the box. Polish that up. Oh yeah. There's that sound, that Zippo sound. Very nice. There's the insert. All right, well, there you have it. My first Armor Zippo lighter, my very first Zippo lighter. There it is. Can't wait to try this out. Okay, well, thanks for viewing. Have a great day.